Whoa, who brought the devil out of the bag? Oh yeah, it's that guy! Tonight we're gonna draw Decidevible. Seriously, that's his name? I don't know what the hell he's got that name for. Probably this villain is responsible for being deceived, or whatever it is. Yeah, Dad? There have been plenty of deceivers that have been possessed by this guy. Like that one time during The Mummy back in 2017. Then there was that one time during Bakugan Armored Alliance involving Havoc taking control of the leader of the Battle Brawlers. I meant the Awesome Brawlers. Ugh, seriously. And you probably don't know this. After Pokemon Sun and Moon, well, to be honest, turns out Lily had this shadow in her heart. And, well, that didn't allow her to. That was made her scared of touching Pokemon. That was a really stupid thing. Well, get this. After she was killed, the shadow in her heart grew and took control of her mind, and her body. Her heart was consumed by darkness. Then she made the ultimate sin of her life. She wished for humans and Pokemon to stop being friends. And then she had this horrible goal to blow up the entire universe. Scary, huh? Seriously, guys, the worst thing to fear is to lose the ability to make friends. And to lose the ability and to gain the ability to stop being friends. That's the worst kind of fear anyone would have. And even what's worse, to be proud of it. It's stupid. Very, very stupid. I can't believe she would create such a horrible wish. It's like Bulla Kyokade wishing for monsters to never exist. All she wanted was to start her life over. It's horrible. I mean, that head injury, after it was restored, she became heartless again. Bad thing for that. But I'm proud I finally got to draw this guy. Anyhow, that's how you draw Decidevible, and good night.